none.
Not much help?
I got bucked off a horse. I can't pick up nothing.
We've located the leak. Air just coming out.
I'll tell you what you want to do? You want to take it off or you want?
Well, I'm scared to ride on it. It's in a small. See, it's in between that little thing right here. You can feel it right there.
I hear it.
I want to throw it in the back of the truck if I could.
Okay.
And put the spare on, hit it somewhere, and they can put it all back together for me.
All right, we'll do that.
And I'll help you any way I can. I just can't pick up.
Yeah, I got it.
Don't ride horses.
Heavy ass tire.
Oh, I love horses.
Do I need to pull up?
Yeah, that's what I was about to tell you.
Okay.
Give me some room.
We do it.
First time for everything, man. That's what I was taught, man.
Yeah. Let me kicked off that damn horse.
That. First time for that as well, huh?
I was riding a Wade saddle.
Okay.
So I was halfway on her.
Mm-hmm.
And I must have spooked her. Like at the saddle shifted.
Mm-hmm.
I was halfway on her, one foot in the stirrup, and I leaned over, put the other one in, started crow hopping. I landed on that horn, big ass horn.
Oh, you landed,
about 3 times. My nuts swole up. This big around. Turn black.
It's a hell of a ride, man.
Yeah, if they're doing 40,
yeah.
you better get out of here. See, this initially wasn't supposed to be hers.
Okay.
Her truck broke down, so instead of putting all the money into fixing hers, I just let her have this one.
Gotcha. Oh man, you all right, man? Shit. You should have got husband of the year for that, man.
Let me go get her.
Okay.
I hope you don't do all them little things. There's no way.
Yeah, that's the way.
Are you sure?
Nothing else turns, so yeah, that's the way. Huh. Let's see. Make sure. Yeah, none of this turns. None of that turns. It's probably not going to be all of them. It's going to be a couple of them, though. I gotta hope I got something small enough to fit it.
You imagine being on a trail?
Yeah. Imagine being on side the interstate.
Really put it in the mud or anything?
Yeah. You speaking of trail, I'm just thinking about the interstate. Ah, man.
You're right.
Let's see if we got something in here small enough to get in there. Probably gonna be too big. Okay, that's it. This extension. Yeah, that's crazy, man. And I was just bragging on Jeep. I think I'm gonna take it back, man.
I'm gonna tell you what, I've never had a Jeep, and I saw this one and I was like, I got to have it. I thought it'd be more fun.
Mm-hmm.
And you could take the top off, but it's hot.
Yeah,
the wind blows the hell out of you, and you never know when it's gonna rain.
You're right, South Louisiana, man.
And you got $65,000, $70,000 out here, and it rains in it, I'd cry.
I'll cry too. Let's see.
It is every one of them.
Nah, looks can be deceiving, bro.
Learn something new every day.
That's what they say. All right, so let's see. Let's see.
So, like you were saying, maybe a few of them are tied all the way.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll see. Almost. Let's see right here. Come on home. Come on home. All right, so let's see. Look like it should be 2 of them. This one here should pop back in. This is a screw hole here. Okay. But they don't tell you that, huh? That's a screw hole there. And
So 3 of them.
3 of them. Okay. Why is this screw shorter than the rest, though?
Maybe it's just 2 of them.
It's a short screw. All right. Let's see. Oh my God, y'all got a. You got a key?
I can look.
Yeah, it should be in your glove box.
I hope.
He told me your truck was broke. He said instead of dumping a whole bunch of money in your truck, he said you can have this one. I told him he should have got husband of the year. So did he get husband of the year?
He is husband.
No, did he get husband of the year?
That key?
That's not a key.
That would be the key right there, right?
That wouldn't be the key for this.
There's the old one.
Oh, okay. The Mustang, okay.
No, I drove that one.
The Explorer?
Expedition.
Oh, the Expedition, okay.
It's much more family friendly than this is.
Yeah,
This is fun, but it's not.
yeah.
So we don't have a thing to get the things off.
You should have one. They shouldn't give you those without the key. I ordered a set that for that, so hopefully it'll be.
Yes, that's for the wheel.
And that's the key. Yep.
So that's for the little things right there.
Yeah, that's for the little things on the side.
I'm telling you, I'm learning. Learning today.
You got the melon?
Yeah. Okay. All right. So now we can get to going in the right direction. Let's see.
That's gonna ride on here?
That looks like it's going to be a 19.
Like it's gonna be.
Well, yeah, I'll do it.
No,
Yeah.
I'm just saying it's smaller, right?
Not a 19.
Yes, sir.
You had to have to lift the truck with the big old 37 tires.
You didn't buy anything.
Compensate for
Well,
the
it don't look like a Jeep without the 37s on it. I mean, it don't look like a Jeep without the 37s on it.
I like this man right here. Me and him are on the same page. We call trash where there's trash, and then we appreciate it. You're not gonna get upset until it's time to get upset.
Until it's time to get it.
Did a whole bunch of shit. I try my best. I tell you.
Yeah.
Back in the day, it wasn't too easy.
Trust me, I understand. Okay.
That's why I tell her I'm glad you didn't meet me when I was 7.
Would have seen a different version, huh? You might not be here today.
Invite him over for Thanksgiving.
Will do.
Yeah.
Let's get that out of here. That's a big old tire, man.
Now this would it look like stock.
That's not as cute at all.
No, that's when you
I'm
leave
over
it on
riding
the
like I
lot.
got the gangster lean going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a little dip to
Roast
it.
this tire out. Oh, I'm gonna smoke it.
Let's see.
Shiny lugs on there.
Let's see. Make sure we. All right, so that's not gonna work.
Other ones?
Yeah, give me those other ones.
Yeah. Look at that little bitty wheel.
It's tiny.
I can maybe carry that one.
I know, we're gonna be like leaning when we drive, right?
We're gonna be squatting.
Y'all ain't gonna be nothing.
We're gonna be like a
Y'all gonna
squatted
be in that
ball.
other truck.
We're gonna be in Daddy's
I mean,
truck.
yeah.
Wait, we can finally see
Is that
where
repairable?
their nail.
Yeah, this is gonna have to repair from the inside.
Finally see where the nail
Is
is.
it
better
a
if
nail?
it's
Get a patch. Yeah, get a patch.
That's a $600 tire.
Is that a
I didn't think we were gonna have it this long.
Is it a nail?
I don't know what it is, babe. It's whatever you run over.
You got one more. That's it.
It just came
All
out.
right, put these in there.
It's where that piece is.
Yeah, we let
All right.
Appreciate it.
One of that.
Wait, Beckett, I'm gonna try to carry it.
what we look like when we were like cutting normal tires. Ugly. Ugly.
That was just a route.
It's not too bad.
It's literally leaning to the side.
It's not too bad though.
Stupid.
Let's put all this up first before we get involved in all that. There you go.
See if I can get it up together.
All right.
I called him, he said hello. I was like, are you a tire guy? I didn't know what to say. I was like, are you a tire person?
Yeah, roadside assistance. Let's see, I might be able to sit it in there like that. Let's see.
Take all that,
No,
you want me to grab half of that?
you sure you can handle half of it?
I can handle half.
All right, let's go then.
If I can help you.
It's just the walking part. I got you. All right. All right, man.
We give it a test drive.
I appreciate it, brother. I appreciate it, man.
Look, I can tell.
I really do, man.
Let's see how.
Yeah.
Anytime you need something and you're in this area, remember where I live.
Yes, sir. I definitely do
I'll
that,
help
all
you
right?
any way I can.
Appreciate that.
My name's Andrew.
D'Artagnan Washington. They call me Pop.
All right, Pop. I appreciate it, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can help you with that.
I got it. Yeah, I'm positive. I got it.
Appreciate it.
Y'all have a good one, all right?